a lot of people always ask me, what do my tattoos mean? I always tell them it's my Samoan passport. So yeah, having that identity, letting people know how strong you are in your culture, I guess it's a exhibit of what we feel, but on a canvas, outside canvas. These are only dreams that I dreamt of before. Being a part of this exhibition, it's crazy. You know, if I turn back time to when I was drawing in my book at church, to what could possibly happen with the connection of other people overseas, you know, coming from a small island, New Zealand, the possibilities that could happen, you know, if you, I guess, pursue something you love, something you feel inside, this is part of it. And having the connection with other brothers on the other side of the world doing the same thing, you know, as one, man, we're strong.